Currently taking off all the old plaster off the walls in the living room, as you can see. But some of it, for some reason, is like there, and on the chimney breast. On the chimney breast, got some sort of cement on it, and then they've plastered over the cement. So this is me getting off the cement, which is a bloody pain in the backside. So just grinding it with a grinder and then chipping it off with a bolster and hammer. So here we go. That took forever. Not sure why anyone would put cement on top of brickwork and then just plaster on top of that. It's not like the bricks are damaged or anything, or I don't know. And it's literally only a square, and it's the same down there. So time to crack on with them bits as well. Dusty. I'd say one of the main tools we've been using pretty much for this whole renovation, getting render off the walls outside, plaster off the walls inside, is hammer and bolster. So I highly recommend get a hammer and bolster. Get one with a, like a, I don't know what they call it, a cover for your knuckles essentially, because otherwise, the amount of times, you can see the amount of times that we probably would have lost a knuckle. So yeah, anyway, that cement there is a lot harder to get off than I thought it was with a hammer and bolster. After bigging it up, I'm going to get an STS drill on it and see how I get on with that. And it's off. Time to have a tidy up, head home, have a shower, and go to bed. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, and we'll be back for more. Renovating Westwoodton. See you later.